Do you have dolls, but no dollhouse? Don't worry, we'll show you how to make one today. We've got the cutest hacks to make the most adorable furniture for your dolls. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel if you love our crafts. Let's get started. Barbie Backpack. Take a zipper in your favorite color and put it on some foam. Stencil in its outline, then cut it out. Get your glue gun and fasten the zipper to the foam. Use a stick to help it stick evenly. Hide any gaps with glitter paper. Grab the rest of the sheet and glue your foam to the backside. Cut it out. Get some more foam and cut it to the same dimensions. You'll want to cut it in half so that it fits with the glitter paper. Make sure you keep some space for the zipper. Make the pieces you need. Don't forget to glue. With the other piece of foam, cut the ends off at angles and then fasten them to either side of the second zipper. Now make the back of the backpack by cutting out just enough foam. Add the pocket to the back. Then add the top loop and make little straps. And now Barbie's also ready for back to school. A+ for this cute backpack. Sweet Dreams bunk beds. Measure out 15 centimeters on foam paper and make a mark. Then a mark at 16 centimeters. Do the same 9 centimeters above both marks. Also add a mark at the end of the paper and cut out your 9 by 16 centimeter rectangle. Cut out a bit of the other end to make 2 even pieces. Using the 15 centimeter mark, cut out a small rectangle. Do the same to the other paper and on both ends. Add pom-poms in your favorite colors to both pieces. Then hot glue the cutout sections to the frame piece. Add the other side and wow, it already looks so cute. Use craft paper and add it as a bedspread. Get some fuzzy material and hot glue the ends together. Make 2 and now you have pillows. Your dolls now have a place to sleep. A dream come true. Adorable lamp. Grab some ornamental pearls and hot glue them into a tower. Keep going. Reuse a plastic lid and add stickers to it. So simple and cute. Add it to your dolly dream home. Funky kitchen. Draw 2 lines so that your paper has 3 equal sections. Cut them into strips. Then draw a circle partway through the middle strip. Cut it out because we'll be using it as a stand later. Then make the following slits on the section closest to you. Grab some shiny material and make a few pieces because we're going to be adding it in sections like this. Now do some cuts in the middle of your circle so that you can add the sink basin later on. Hot glue beads to create handles. Shorten both ends of a straw and add it to the sink with some beads. Grab some shiny fabric to create the stove burners. Now you have a kitchen. Glitter table. Grab some glitter, a plastic cup, a paintbrush, and some Mod Podge because we are going to get seriously crafty. Coat the inside of the cup with the Mod Podge, then spread the glitter around the cup. Get some moisturizing cream. Take off the lid to draw a circle. Glue the shiny paper on the lid and add some glue to the rim of your cup. Now you have a super shiny doll table. Mini toilet. Cut off the lid of a bottle. Make that 2. Glue the lid parts together. Cut out some foam the size of the lid. Then attach it to the lid. Make the seat out of foam as well. Easy peasy toilet. Sweet sink. Cut out a fairly big piece of foam and indent it a third of the way. Take a bottle cap, trim it, and carve out a circle in the foam. Take some decorative paper to create a top, bottom, and middle line. Use thumbtacks as doorknobs. Take a straw to make the faucet, and add the hot and cold knobs. Finish it up with 3D flower stickers. So cute! All ready to add to our dolly's home. Beautiful bathtub. Take a plastic container and cut off any extra side pieces. Make a slit so it opens from the middle. Oops! Then take some textured paper and create a bottom band. Then add it to one side. Let the glue dry and wipe off any excess. Use the cut piece of plastic to attach gift wrap as a shower curtain, and then make a cute little curtain for your bathroom window. All done! This must be the cutest bathroom in the whole wide world. Cute cabinets. Indent a piece of foam and get a rectangular piece of glitter paper. Cut it in half. Then measure out some different glitter paper for the smaller section. Trim some gold paper to make handles. Then glue the sections onto the foam with the handles. Easy cabinet. Perfect 3D cabinet. Grab 3 pieces of foam and glue them together. Grab another piece to add on top. Get 2 even rectangles that will be used as doors and add decorative paper to them. Add a pin to hold down the doors, one on top and one on the bottom. Add buttons as handles. And now you have the perfect 3D cabinet. Cutest chair. Grab a cleaned compact and add some shiny paper to the top. Cut out a foam circle and add it to the compact part. Then hot glue the bottom because we're going to add the base of this candle. Cut 4 equal pieces of a thick straw and add them too. We now have a cute chair. And now's the big moment. Assemble your dollhouse together. We made a few little decorations too. Our dolls love their new home. It's worthy of any new little princess to be. Peggy the Penguin wanted to join in the fun too. Thanks for watching our miniature dollhouse hacks. If you love this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel. Catch you later!